Layout designs can be viewed and edited from the Layouts grid. Use the row menu and select Design to open the Layout editor. Layouts in a draft status can be edited straight away. When selecting Design for a published layout, the Layout editor will show that it is locked to prevent editing. When locked, a user can still view all the components of the layout in a read-only mode. Selecting Checkout will create a draft copy of the layout to enable editing. This draft layout will not reflect any changes to the published version. Display schedules will continue to show the published unedited version of the layout, so users can take their time with any design changes that are needed without affecting content shown on displays. To prevent multiple users making edits to a layout at the same time, the layout will lock. The layout can be unlocked to allow another user access to edit by selecting Unlock from the Options menu. Once unlocked, the current user will be redirected back to the Layouts grid. Any changes made to the layout can be reverted by using the Options menu and selecting Discard Layout. The layout will revert back to its original unedited published state. To make the changes permanent and overwrite the existing published layout, select Publish from the Options menu. Layouts can be published straight away using the Publish Now checkbox, or untick to provide a future date and time to publish. Once published, the CMS will update a layout change so that the approved design changes will be shown on displays.